How to install an HP printer in macOS using AirPrint. Power on your printer. Connect your printer to the same wireless network as the computer using the Wireless Setup Wizard on the printer control panel. For older printers without a touch display, press and hold the wireless button on your printer for 5 seconds or until the wireless light blinks. And then, within 2 minutes, press and hold the Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS button on your router for 5 seconds. If you cannot connect your printer using the Wireless Setup Wizard or WPS, download HP Smart from 123.hp.com. On your Mac, click the Apple menu and then select System Preferences. Click Printers and Scanners. Your printer should automatically be added to your print queue. If your printer is not listed, click the plus sign. Click your printer. Click Add to complete adding your printer to the queue.